the slide.
You got the inside lane. You ready?
Left side up here.
I want this side. Nah, I don't want this side. I want the other side. I ain't bringing. I think it's one in the car. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna tell her, do she wanna go over Team Thundercock house, man?
Thundercock?
Yeah, I got Team Thundercock in here for the win.
Hello.
Team Thundercock. He the one. Just appreciate that donation.
Hey, I seen that video where that nigga won the, what was it, the wing contest?
Oh yeah, yeah, man. They got it. My boy was in the wing contest, man, and there was a setup. Team Thundercock. You got the Stone Vet in the game. What's up with it, man? Everything still looking good?
Oh, dude.
Okay.
That was the personal best, man. I'm on top of the world.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, bro.
What?
Yeah, bro.
You gonna show everybody?
Yeah, dude. I'll show everybody. It's all stock, man.
Okay.
I want to see
an
anybody with a
man,
stock
got a good
STI
180,
faster than
160
that.
foot.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, I see.
So anybody with a stock STI faster than that, let me know, because I think that might be
It's a stick or automatic? Oh, okay. He got the. They got the red lights going on, y'all.
But yeah, man, that'd be my last personal best by like 2/10. Like, that's way faster than I thought I would do.
The dude with the mop and the girl. Let me see. The dude with the mop and the girl. Hey, they said that wing contest was rigged, man.
Yeah, the barbecue, it was rigged.
Yeah, it was rigged. Yeah, all they do? They got barbecue sandwiches over there, y'all.
That was the challenge.
Oh, yeah. They had them barbecue sandwiches. I don't know how they got him like that, man. I don't know how they got him like that.
He's got a parachute, C5.
Oh, C5 got. Oh, yeah?
Pedro watching.
Pedro, you on here? God damn.
Be driving the shit out that shit over.
Which one? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
That ugly up there. Don't be too much turbulence.
Hell no. We was over the clouds.
Yeah.
We was over it. You only feel that turbulence when you in them clouds.
Oh, 8-0, huh?
Okay, they done brought the 8-0. They got Snoop back in the building. He usually wins.
Yo, sir, you better come out with him, motherfucker.
SRT crazy, man. Straight crazy. I don't know why I be called. Eric Shiesty. Oh, Eric Shiesty, y'all. That means that when he gets something to eat, he don't be wanting to share. He shiesty. What's my boy name, man? Kid. What's his name, man? Team Thundercock, you in here every day? Attention in the pits. We have Team Thundercock. Right side. Yeah, this is a good. Oh, they finna put the glue down. Now, they doing like a little 8-0 class right here, man. Gonna have 2 30, 10-minute visits. Okay. I'm betting on the Camaro, y'all. Eric Shiesty, man. So that means like when Eric go to Wingstop, he only getting like a 10-piece lemon pepper. Did I tell y'all about how my brother, man, I went to Wingstop with my brother, right? Matter of fact, I ain't go with him. He was calling in. Me and my one homeboy, we was going to get some pizza. My brother was like, fuck that. I want Wingstop. So I was like, cool. He called Wingstop. Yeah, let me get a 8-piece lemon pepper, extra crispy, and I don't want y'all to make my fries till I get there, cause last time they gave me some cold fries, and I want extra lemon pepper. I was like, God damn, why he yeah. Nah, this time he called Wingstop. He like chicken, man. So he was like, I want extra crispy, extra lemon pepper, and I don't want y'all to make my fries till I get in there. I was like, what kind of commands is this? And then the girl who taking this order, she on the phone. I'm waiting on her to complain. She talking about some, you know, I guess the manager was standing right there like, who the hell is she talking to on the phone like that? She was like, he called in. Nah, my brother, he ain't gonna get all flats. Nah, I'm gonna get the bang for the buck. Fuck all that. They gonna be trying to go up. You get all flats. I was surprised that they was cool with all them other instructions he had. Don't make the fries till I get in there. What? I didn't know you could say that and they still be cool with it. Yeah, don't make the fries till I get in there. I'm gonna use that though, because now that I know that they cool with it, shit, he had them wings, them was extra crispy, extra lemon pepper, and they didn't make the fries till he got there, which didn't take too long. And everything was good, so I might be putting somebody else on game on how to order your Wingstop. Somebody said they straight crazy, say he gonna try that at Mickey D's. He gonna be in that thing talking about, yeah, let me get a spicy McChicken with cheese, extra crispy, with mac sauce instead of mayo, a small fry. Now make it a medium with a Sprite, some barbecue sauce, and some ketchup. Hey, I be ordering that. That's kind of my I don't do all that barbecue sauce. And then you can tell them, I don't want y'all to make my fries